you want to keep your mower running good, you have to do regular maintenance. This involves changing your air filter so the air to fuel mixture is optimal and your machine can breathe while it works. We're going to show you how to replace your Toro Timemaster air filter at home the do-it-yourself way. Now, the recommended service intervals are listed in the operator's manual shown here. It says to check before each use or daily, clean every 50 hours, and replace every 200 hours. If you're mowing your own yard and it's not real dusty, I'd just check it every 5 to 10 mows, and blow it out or swap it if it's real dirty. To check and remove your air filter, unscrew the assembly and pop the cover off. If you don't have an air compressor, just replace it. Mine is very dirty even after blowing it out, so I'm going to replace. Just so you know, there are two different types of air filters for the Toro Timemasters. So before you order your part or go to the parts store, remove yours and check it out to make sure you buy the correct one. The one we'll be replacing today is part number 795066. I do not know what the part number is or what the dimensions are for the other type of air filter, so measure yours to make sure it matches this one. Dimensions should be 5.5 inches long by 2.75 width and 2-inch height. Now that you have your replacement ready, it's time to install. Make sure you remove the small plastic piece prior to installation. Thank you for watching, like the video if you learned anything, and subscribe to see future tutorials.